Today I am going to start another useful knot for you. This knot you can use for every situation, called by butterfly knot. Butterfly knot is most useful for our daily work. We can hang shirt hangers and accessory box. Other things we can hang. Very simple technique. Shall we start? First of all, we have to find like this rope. Then middle of the rope we can bend like this. After that, this end we can turn like capital 8. After that, turn behind the rope. Then finally this rope end comes bottom to up. This is a butterfly knot. Very simple technique. Again, we can take row of the butterfly knot. Turn. I got capital 8. Then turn finally this rope end comes bottom to up. One, two. Again take the rope like this. Then turn capital 8. This is a simple way. And turn behind the rope. End of the rope comes bottom to up. One, two, three. This is a simple technique. We can use every situation. We can hang our clothes using from shirt hangers. I remember you not to forget this video. Then follow my Knotmaster channel. I will come again next day with useful knot with you. Thank you.